Hello and welcome to Gus Codes. I am Gus, and in this session of xganso I'll be working on the mockup layout of the map editor. This version improves on the old one, and it's where the new map editor will start to take shape. For now I'll just place the widgets where they belong, without adding any logic yet. The map editor is a side quest, it's not part of the MVP, but like any good side quest it has value. Building it has pushed me to explore concepts I wouldn't have focused on otherwise, like creating a UI framework using observable state variables and implementing the command pattern for undo and redo. It's a good reminder that the journey and what we learn along the way matter just as much as the destination. Now about the map editor layout. The top bar will have load and save options, plus new map options, empty, hexagon or random. The sidebar will hold editing and testing tools. Their final organization is still a bit unclear, and since the option picker widget isn't ready yet, I'll use a text widget as a placeholder. The bottom bar will display user feedback as a simple text widget, and of course the map view will show the map, though it will take more effort later to convert it into the ECS world. Alright, with this plan in mind, let's start coding. First step, I'm adding the new files for the ECS map editor and setting up the panel layout, dividing the screen into sections. Now it's time to add the top bar buttons. One set will handle loading and saving maps, including the file name. The other lets us create new maps, empty, hexagon and random, with a chosen radius. Next, I'm working on the sidebar for editing and testing tools. Right now they're all together, but they conflict in functionality, so I'll have to figure out a better layout in the future. Also, the tile and spawn option pickers aren't in ECS yet, so I'm just using text placeholders for now. Lastly, the bottom bar is straightforward, it's just a text widget. For the finishing touches, I review all the changes and fix anything that might have broken, run the test again and commit the changes. To summarize, today we built a mockup of the map editor, organizing the layout and placing the widget. This is just the first step and nothing is final yet, but it already feels like an improvement over the previous version. The code was also fairly simple to put together. As for the transition to ECS, we're keeping things very straightforward. No over-engineering, no unnecessary features, just the simple solutions we need, refined as we go. The journey so far has been smooth, with every step making sense and no major reworks required. All the effort we've put into architecture and design is definitely paying off. In the next session we'll start implementing the logic of the map editor, beginning with the top and bottom bars, loading and saving maps, creating new ones, displaying user feedback, and most importantly, moving all the logic into the ECS architecture. Thank you for your time and see you in the next session.